this product from China. I get it after 1 month later. This is good packaging. This brand, it is Insta X3 action cameras lens. So viewers, unboxing it is. One side, two side, dust remover. It is dust remover. Viewers, already it has a lens guard, but it is not Insta action camera X3s. The lens guard was for X2, Insta X2. This size is small, but it's for Insta X3. Compare the size, look like similar, but something different. Front and its back. So front and back lens. First, I clean. Here, guys, nicely it is fit, but something wrong. It's okay. Now, next. First clean. What? Wow, nice. Nice. Viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Tata.